Hello everyone. So I have this homemade speaker that I built like a year ago, but I didn't record it. So let's take it apart, see what's inside. So this is made out of plastic and like cheap wood. And this, oh look. All right, hold on. Let me just. Alright, so I took everything out except one. There we go. Alright, so I have this speaker, which is 0.5 watts and 8 ohms, which is pretty bad. And I have this breadboard. Oh, the capacitor fell. That's why I heard the sound. So yeah, I have this breadboard with, let me just, there we go. So I have this breadboard. This is the input, so the aux cord goes in here. Capacitor just fell. Yeah, so the input goes in here, which is this black wire and this yellow wire. So yeah, these are the wires that are the input. This is the battery pack for the amplifier. And this is an IC for 5 volts, but for some reason I don't have 5 volts. Yeah, so I just take everything out and I'll show you the components inside. So now I'm on my last screw. I can just take this out pretty easily. Putting it back together, I'm not going to because it's too hard to take this and then just, yeah. So this is held on double-sided tape. I'm just gonna peel it off. I think it's M3 tape, that's why it's hard to pull it off. Alright, so let me just...
Where did it go? I just saw it fall. Where did it go?
Alright, I found it. Alright, so that's the connector for the aux cord. This is the connector for the aux cord. Alright, let me just pull it out. There we go. Alright, so I forgot where the capacitor is supposed to be, so I'm just gonna... Let's just turn it on. Let me just pull this off. This is good double-sided tape. Alright, there we go. I forgot where the capacitor is supposed to be. But I know the legs are correct, so I can just make an assumption that it's like somewhere right. Hopefully it doesn't explode. Alright, I think that was the right spot. Except I forgot where these goes. Alright, so with this breadboard and with these LEDs and resistors and capacitors, I can do something. So yeah. I mean, something like in a project or something. So, yeah. Have a good day. Yeah. Yeah.